Hello everyone, how are you doing? Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you what I use, which product I use, and let's get started. The first product I use is water. I love water. In my moisturizer I mix with water and some drops of oil and a little bit of a drop of my conditioner. So that's what I use to condition when I'm tangling, when my hair is dry. Let's say like that. The next product is my oils. My oils. In this bottle I have kept all my oils. In here is oil extra virgin oil, olive oil. We have jojoba oil. We have sweet almond oil. I have what do I have? I have so many oils. Any kind of oil I find in the supermarket or in the Whole Food store or in AfroShop, I put in this bottle. So I will put all my oils in the box below and then we find it. So the next oil I use is coconut oil. This oil I use it for hot oil treatment, or I do it pre-poo. Oil when I'm out. I use everywhere in my conditioner, everything. And the next one is my conditioner. This conditioner is from Herbal Essence. I love this conditioner, and I mix it with this hair mayonnaise, and I mix it when I want it. I use this hair mayonnaise only when I need protein, when I feel like I need to do a protein treatment. But mostly I use this Herbal Essence conditioner. And then in my conditioner I mix with maybe with honey or with yogurt or anything. I will put all the things for you to see. So the next product, my shampoo, I use also shampoo from Herbal Essence. Herbal Essence, and I love it. It doesn't dry out my hair and leave it shiny and soft. Yeah, and the other product I use to wash my hair is apple cider vinegar. That's what I use to wash when I don't have shampoo. Like right now I don't have a shampoo, so the next I'm going to use apple cider